May 2025, which is last month, was the most difficult month in affiliate marketing for me. Now, over the years, I used to get an average of $1,000 to $1,500 every single month from Elegant Themes. This is the company that I've been promoting for a very, very long time. And because I created so much content, I was getting quite a bit of money from that. So if you add a few other affiliate products to the mix and also the YouTube partnership, that would help me get by every month. But last month, I did not get paid by Elegant Themes. And this was the first time in about 10 years. So last week, I really struggled with my back. My back was hurting so much, and it felt like something was really pressing on my spine. I would feel pain even just through walking. I couldn't even sleep properly. I had to go and visit a doctor, and they recommended a physiotherapy. So when I went to my first session, surprisingly, they told me that it was due to stress. So I asked about 3 times, are you really sure that this is due to stress? How can my lower back hurt so much just through stress? And he says, yes. So I could not pinpoint exactly what it was. But when I started looking at my statistics, I realized that because I was behind on so many bills and I was really struggling financially, I was just getting by. I realized that, wow, this could be happening subliminally in my mind, that there was something really stressing me about this. But like I said, I could not pinpoint exactly what it was. So when you take a look here at the month of May, now take a look. Here on the 1st of May, I got $9. This was 80 cents, $4, $10, $4. Here's a 40, okay? And this is May. If I come over here, again, we can see here 75 cents. This is 44. So this month of May, I did not get paid by Elegant Themes because I did not reach the 200 mark threshold for me to get paid. That is how serious this is. I could not even believe it, because usually I'm just expecting that on the 1st of every month or the 2nd of every month, I get paid. And for the first time, I would even go as far as saying, for the first time in about 8 or 10 years, this had never happened before. So I've just been creating content on my YouTube channel and just creating randomly, but it was mostly Divi. I was just creating a lot of content. So there's a few months where I've been struggling, and I'm sure you've seen some of my videos where I spoke about my struggles and how I just felt so down and I didn't feel like really working. I had so much stress, so much pressure, burnout. I mean, I don't know, you name it, depression, whatever. I was suffering from all of that. So I guess maybe those 2 months or 2.5 months to 3 months of no content really, really affected me. It affected me so much, and it made my situation worse. Now, when I take a look at June, same thing. This is the month of June now. Can you see the 1st of June? $9.60, 80 cents, $5.16, $4, right? I mean, there isn't anyone really buying Elegant Themes from my link. Here things have been improved. There's $40, $44. There's another one here, $40. But generally speaking, it is quite low. So I thought to myself, well, I have ClickWhale installed on Divi University. How about I take a look there and see what exactly is happening? Because my channel has so much content on Divi. So why is it I was getting very few clicks? But for me to be very specific, I came over here. So this is Divi University. And by the way, if you're not signed up onto Divi University, go ahead and sign up. This is a community of Divi designers. We share tips and also some tools. So go ahead and sign up. It's absolutely free. Okay, so over here now, you can see this is the last 30 days. Okay, the last 30 days. I mean, can we do, okay, we can only do last 30 days. Okay, so the last 30 days, if we take a look here, this is all, which is, I mean, pretty much everything. But what I want to do here is I want to specifically choose Divi. All right, so here is elegant themes. I'm going to click here on the stats. Okay, and is there another one? I think that's the only one. Okay, here's another one here. I was tracking something different here as well. But these, I mean, both of them are promoting elegant themes. All right, so now we can see here on the top that I have those two items I'm taking a look at. So I'm going to drill down onto these two promotional links that I have, that I've been tracking. And we can see here that this is 59 plus 19, right? So I would say this is very, very low. Okay, very, very low. Last 30 days, and this is all I have. Usually, I'll be in hundreds of clicks. And bear in mind that if we use maybe a 2% conversion rate, out of every 100 people, if 2 buy, that means out of every 100, I'm making at least $80. But this hasn't been, this hasn't been working. So for the last 30 days, if this is what I have, so let's say this is 60 plus 20, 80. I'm not even expecting anyone to purchase from here according to the conversion rate because it's very, very low. So this taught me a very big lesson, and that is if you're going to be doing affiliate marketing without tracking, then you're in big, big trouble because you don't know exactly what is happening. So now that I can see that my links here to my promotions on elegant themes are very low, I know now that I have to create quality content more on a more regular basis in order for me to get to the clicks that I was getting before. Now, there's also other factors, like, for example, right now, as a Divi user, if I were to go back to Divi 4, I mean, there's no chance. It is so dated and it's so blatant now that it is something that just belongs to the past. And right now, I'm using Divi 5, exclusively for everything that I'm doing. But overall, I'm pretty sure that people are holding back on purchasing Divi 5 because, I mean, this is just my gut feeling, okay? This is not based on any evidence, but my gut feeling tells me that very few people now are purchasing Divi, or Divi 5 rather, because it's not been tried and tested yet. So for any design agencies out there, would they really want to install Divi 5 for their clients' websites? Absolutely not, because it's not really tried and tested properly, and it's still in alpha. It's not even in beta, it's in alpha. And there's still a lot of things that need to be fixed. I mean, I've been working on my starter template, and there's a lot of things that are still not working. I'm getting a lot of errors, things are not working, correctly, and so on. So there's still a bit of work that needs to be done to the Divi 5 alpha. So I guess maybe that's also one reason why people haven't been purchasing Divi 5, because they're waiting for the real deal. I mean, once the complete one is solid and it's out there, perhaps maybe that's when people are going to say, okay, now let me buy. And perhaps maybe that is when my affiliate commissions are also going to increase. But back to the tracking. If you're doing affiliate marketing and you're not tracking your links, then you are going to be in very big trouble. Like I said, I could not even pinpoint how. I was so stressed without even me realizing it. And that is because all my affiliates my affiliate programs that I've been promoting, I haven't been really tracking them. I just create content and and just hope for the best. But now with this, I can see clearly that I need to increase these numbers for at least for me to say, well, if people aren't purchasing, but at least I have, at least 5,000 clicks over here. So the bottom line is I need to increase the quality of my content. I need to do a lot more videos on a regular basis in order for me to get more affiliate commissions. And this, by using ClickWhale, I was able to pinpoint this. And yeah, so if you're an affiliate marketer, I highly recommend you try and use ClickWhale to track all your links, because this is the only tool that will tell you exactly what is happening and who is clicking on your links. Now, you may be thinking, well, this can be done from the affiliate dashboard. Well, that's true, but there's more features to this, because over here, when I come to links, my link here for promoting, let's say, let's head over now to DV5. It is going to be elegantthemes.com/DV5, you know, so it shortens your link for you as well. You see how it is on the top here, divuniversity.com/DV5. So if I hit enter, that's going to take me now to DV5, and then they can try the demo and so on. So yeah, this was a really bitter pill to swallow, seeing all the stats right before my eyes. But anyway, at least now I know what is going on. If you haven't signed up for Div University, go ahead and do that. The link to that is in the video description below. Join the community where we discuss anything related to DV or DV5. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.